Hello, welcome to another video, and today I am planning to sort all of this out and fit all of this. This is the original carpet. I've got some Rover 25 seats that I want to put in, which means these have got to go. And then the Rover seats are black, which is good because that carpet in there is black. In order to get the carpets in, I need to shift all of this crap. So that's my job for now. Right, there we go. I've had to put gloves on because I don't know what this stuff is made of. Yeah, I've just noticed there's even more carpet under here. I think they're like floor mats. Look at them. And they will need a good hoover. Wow, that's a lot of carpet. That's a lot more carpet than I thought we had. You can see the state of it. It could all do with it's a damn good hoover, really. Right, this is my floor. I have a hole. So that's all going to need welding at some point. The other side's pretty solid. The small section there might go through with a bit of poking, but this bit here all over the axle looks pretty solid. Cross member looks solid. I want to put that back, but I can't. It's getting all these trims and all the carpets and stuff here are in the way, and whatever that is, looks like an exhaust clamp of some kind. Clever that actually. Might be able to do that with the Rover seats. Why will you not stay up? Alright. Don't know why that won't stay up. But it doesn't want to. So maybe it needs maybe it needs the base in to hold it up. This is the most in-depth of the interior I have ever been. Why is there screw holes in that? There are. Oh yeah, there are. Yeah, you've got a couple of holes there. One there. I imagine you're supposed to bolt that up somehow, but like I said, that's not staying. Oh god, that's not staying. So, get out. It's an effort and a half. So, before I do attempt to put all the carpet in, I'm going to sweep all this lot. I brought the giant bulldozer dustpan and brush out of the camper van. Yeah, looks better. So some of you might think this is a bit of a pointless thing as it's all got to come out again anyway, but it's not pointless because if I've got any bits of carpet missing, I'll kind of want to know so I can get it ordered. So, right, I'm guessing then this stuff, this nasty stuff is what goes in first. Alright, let's figure out which way around this goes then. Kind of works there, to be honest, but I don't know. I think actually these are supposed to go that way. That goes upside down there, like so, because that then gives you cutouts for your seats, which I'm going to lay down for a minute. Kind of like that. That looks better. Put the other one down. This will all be like soundproofing, sound deadening. Yeah, that kind of works. There. Back out we come. Right, and we got more sound deadening stuff. No idea on this one. It has cut out there. It's got on both sides. So I'm kind of looking at the contours on the sides and a little cut out at the back. I want to say it's to go in the back, but not totally convinced. Alright, I'll leave this one out. If you know where this goes, let me know. Although that bit on the back looks like a wheel. Means it could be the carpet for the boot. That would kind of make sense. Right. Don't know. It looks like a rear arch or maybe a front arch. That's a floor mat. That's a floor mat with supporting bits. Looks like a sill bit. Driver's mat. Passenger floor mat. More arches. Another sill. More arches. We've also got all the bits in the back as well. And I've now just blocked myself in. That was clever. Right. Try that bit over there. Come around this way to the boot. These look like, so there's another mat, another floor mat. All of these are spares. Okay, I'm going to put those other ones in and then see how much we've got left over. And if we have anything left over, then we'll just call that. We'll see what we've got in the boot to match it. Okay, they're kind of figured out. One thing I'm not too sure about. So, this driver's bit of mat has holes in it for the pedals to come through. If anyone out there has done this before, has a Morris, has had the carpets, however, could you please explain to me how you're supposed to get the pedal through that little hole there without undoing the pedals? That's the only thing I can think of, is you've got to undo the pedals, but then you can't put the carpet in and do the pedals up, because then where they do up is underneath. Do you just have to stretch it over the actual pedal itself? Let me know. And also, you can see the mark where the headlight main beam switch was, but there's no cutout for it. So am I supposed to cut that out? Don't know. Yeah, so other than that, apart from the fact that everything is covered in this stuff, pretty happy with that. We've got some bits left over. These long bits, I am assuming, are sills that go kind of over there like that. Seem a little bit big for that, but that's what I'm thinking. And we've also got these curved bits. Not too sure on them. My guess is there's something to do with the wheel arch. Kind of up there like that would probably work. In fact, I'll probably put that in there and see myself. Not sure. Let me know on that as well if you could. I'm guessing there's not supposed to be anything there because you've got the seat there. I might actually put the rear seat in now. Just hey, would you look at that? About as much space as I've ever had in this thing. Actually feels more like a Morris Minor. Might need a new strap for that. Might actually need one for that door. Yeah, very pleased with that. That's makes a big difference. It does feel more like a almost complete project. Maybe I need to put carpet in the midget, which I have actually got a roller carpet to fit. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you do know, if you can help me out with those bits of carpet, or with the fitting of the pedals, or with that extra bit that's on the roof, please do leave a comment below. Leave a comment below anyway if you feel like it. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you next time.